It's your boy Trey Cross. I'm back for another great week, another great song. This week we're working on For Your Glory by Tasha Cobbs. All right. This is a nice worship song. Everybody's doing it. And so I just want to introduce this to you. This is in the key of A flat. It's really, really, really simple, really easy. Okay. It starts off slow. Okay. That's the whole song. It's really simple. So the beginning goes into the beginning on starting off with the left hand, just showing you the left hand. So 1, 3. I'm sorry. We're in the key of A flat, okay? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One tip for slow worship song and gospel music. On the piano, you typically start on the higher end of the keyboard, and then you slowly go just a little lower as the song progresses, and then once you're in full swing of the song, and now you're just okay. So in the beginning, you may start off way up here, depending on where what type of song it is, and then you'll come down a little bit. Okay, like For Your Glory. And then the song goes around once, and then the second time around, I may be like just a little lower. And then when we build up, I'm down here so we could be full and like full throttle. Okay, all right. So left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 7. Okay. I'm gonna play it in the on the. I'm gonna play it further down so you can see it clearly in the blue. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 7. I'm gonna do it slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 7. Okay, that's the beginning. And so 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 7. And then when she goes, I'm desperately waiting, that's going to be on the 4 on the left hand. Then to the 3. And then 4 again. Okay. Again, 4, 3. And then we go into the 4, 6, 5. 4, 6, 5. One tip, in case I haven't shared this before, is for your left hand, because everything is based off your left hand. When you hear your tones, it's good to sing them or hum them, so then you get used to how it sounds. 4, 6, 5. And then you could be riding down the car and literally hear chord progressions on the radio, on whatever however you listen to your music. You'll be able to hear your chord progressions in the music. Okay. So. Okay. 4, 6, 5. And then for your glory, we're gonna go 4, 3, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 6, 5. This is for your glory. I will do anything. 4, 3, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then you're gonna do a build up before you go to the next part. 4, 6, 5. All right, for the next part. And then you're gonna go 6, 6, 5, 4, 5. 5, 6, 5, 4. And then you're gonna do 7, 3, 6. Just like that. I'm gonna do it slower. 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 7, 3, 6. Now it's basically these 3 notes. You see what I'm saying? Those are the 3 notes that you're using. This is 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 5, 6. 4, 5, 5, 6. 5, 4. It's like a swing. It's going back and forth. And then you're going to go to the 7, 3, 6. Okay? And that's the whole song for the left hand. All right? So, right hand. Going back to the beginning. Okay? So, on the 1, we're going to play the 1 major chord. 1 major chord, second inversion, A flat major. And then on the 2, we're going to play the 2 minor chord, which is B flat minor. And that's going to be the second inversion, all right? So, and then on the 3, we're going to play the 1 major chord, root chord on the 3, all right? And then we're going to go to the 4. That's going to be the 4 major chord, which is C sharp major, second inversion, all right? Okay. Then we're going back down to 3, which is going to play 3 and the 1 major root chord. Then we're going to go to the 1, and and that is going to be the 1 major chord second inversion, and then the 7. That's going to be on 7. We're going to play E flat major root chord, which is also the 5 major chord. All right. So, and I'm doing it this far out so you can see the difference in the colors, so you don't get confused. But when you play this, you're gonna play it up here. Okay. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 7, 1, 7, 1, 3. Why do I keep calling 2, 3? It's weird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Then you're gonna go to the 5. And on the 5, we're gonna play the 5 major chord second inversion. And then remember that 4, 3, 4, 3. So we're gonna play that 1 major chord on the 4, first inversion. Let me tell you the funny thing about this. The chord you're going to play on the 4 and on the 3 is actually the same chord. It's just a different inversion. What makes it sound different and kind of special is the melody. I'm playing the melody line. You see that? I'm playing the A flat major chord, which is the 1 major chord. So on 4, I'm going to play the first inversion, and I'm gonna play the melody line. Then on the 3, I'm gonna play the 1 major root chord, which is A flat major, the same chord. And then from here we're gonna go to the 4, 6, 5. Okay, 4. The chord we're playing on 4 is the 4 major chord, 4 major chord second inversion, C sharp major second inversion. And then on F, which is also 6, we're going to play the 6 minor chord, which is F minor. And then on 5, we're going to play the 5 major chord, second inversion. Okay, so basically these are all the chords. It's just the on the next part it's just played a little different. But on the For Your Glory part, you already know all these chords. Like you probably already got the song, to be honest with you. For your glory. See, that's all that is. When you go to the 4 and the 3, which we just did, and then the 4, 6, 5, that's all that is. So just in case you don't have it by now, which you should, I'm gonna go ahead and still break it down. And if you already have it, just fast forward the video a little bit. 4 on 4 major chord second inversion, and then we're gonna go to 3 with the 1 major root chord, and then back to 4, that same chord. 6 minor chord, which is F minor, and then go back to the 5 with the 5 major chord second inversion. And then wanna be where you are. So that's 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 6. I'm sorry. 4, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, and then it goes to the 7, 3, 6. So on the 4, we're gonna play the 4 major second inversion, which is C sharp major second inversion. Then on the 5, kind of gonna do the same thing. 5 major chord second inversion. And then on the 6, we're gonna play the 6 minor chord, which is F minor. Then we're gonna go back to the 5, which is the same chord we just played on the 5, and then to the 4, same chord we just played on the 4. Now, only thing new you really gonna learn in this, well, you're really not learning anything new in this song. It's just a new song that you're learning, but all the chords you already know them, all the scales you already got them. The other thing is the 7-3-6. So the 7, we're gonna play that B flat major 7th chord. So the way you find this in any key on the 7 is you play the minor. You play the 2. You go to the 2, the second tone. 1, 2. When A flat, go to the second tone. Whatever that second tone is, you play that major 7th chord. Okay. And on 3, you could look at this as a G diminished. And then on the 7, on the 6, we're gonna play the 6 minor chord like we've been playing. Now this G diminished, a good way to find this, and no matter what key you're playing in, is you can look at it as it's like the 7 diminished, because we're at A flat 7, so G diminished or 7. Okay, so wanna be where you gotta be where 7-3-6. That's the whole song. That is the whole song. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll answer them as soon as possible.